Hello everyone, we are HaumXeeb Band. How are you guys doing tonight?
We would like to thank the High members for inviting us to be part of this virtual Halloween concert.
We would like to also thank our family, friends, and fans for always supporting us through the years, and we are so excited to be here with you all and to party with you.
We hope you guys are enjoying all these amazing performances tonight. And our scary story is called The Attic, from the book called Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark by Ellen Schwartz. Hope you guys enjoy. The Attic. A man named Rupert lived with his dog in a house deep in the woods. Rupert was a hunter and a trapper. The dog was a big German shepherd named Sam. Rupert had raised Sam from a pup. Almost every morning, Rupert went hunting and Sam stayed behind and guarded the house. One morning, as Rupert was checking his traps, he got the feeling that something was wrong at home. He hurried back as fast as he could, but when he got there, he found that Sam was missing. He searched the house and the woods nearby, but Sam was nowhere to be seen. He called and he called, but the dog did not answer. For days, Rupert looked for Sam, but he could find no trace of him. Finally, he gave up and went back to his work. But one morning, he heard something moving in the attic. He picked up his gun, then he thought, I better be quiet about this. So he took off his boots, and in his bare feet, he began to climb the attic stairs. He slowly took one step, then another, and another, until at last he reached the attic door. He stood outside listening, but he didn't hear a thing. Then he opened the door and Then usually somebody will ask, why did Rupert scream? You'd scream too if you stepped on a nail in your bare feet. Hope you guys enjoyed that story.
Our first song for this performance is Do a Million Times by Seeley. Party with us. for Joel. Our next song is Take On Me by Party with us. Take this time to shout out our social media on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at HaumXeeb. Thank you.
สารบัญดอกเปี้ยแล้วกันด้วยอ่อนอันนักปีสาวสวรรค์สารมันตากลมเสียสนตาโน